To prepare akamu, ogi or pap, crush the lumps of akamu with a tablespoon. When you have the tiniest lumps, add just enough cold water to help you dissolve the lumps. When I say cold water, I mean water that is at room temperature. Mix till there are no lumps. Keep adding cold water bit by bit till you get a medium consistency like this. Now boil some water. Before pouring the hot water, stir very well because some of the akamu may have settled at the bottom of the bowl. Pour the hot water slowly and stir at the same time. When the ogi starts to thicken, stop stirring but keep pouring the hot water. Remember, slow but steady. When it sets completely, stop pouring the hot water and stir very well. Add sugar to your taste and add evaporated milk. You can see that I love mine with lots of milk. Whole milk, semi-skimmed milk and skimmed milk are not great for akamu. Evaporated milk brings out the best taste. If preparing it for baby, add baby milk and no sugar. Akamu, ogi or pap makes the perfect breakfast meal when teamed with any of these Nigerian foods. I'll put the links to the videos in the description below. See you soon!